Here's how to change the password on your iPhone. Now, you might be looking to change the password you use just to unlock your iPhone or maybe your Apple account password. I'll show you both options. The first thing you're going to do is tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. And then from here, scroll down and look for Face ID and passcode. If you don't see that as an option, it's due to screen time. So tap on Screen Time here. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. And then from here, scroll down to get to Passcode and Face ID. If this is set to Don't Allow, switch it to Allow. And then tap the back arrow and just toggle this off completely. After you've done that, let's tap the back arrow a couple times and choose Face ID and Passcode. It'll ask you for your current passcode, so just enter that in now. And then just scroll down from here and tap on Change Passcode. Again, this is the passcode that you use to unlock your phone, so enter in your current passcode. And then it says just enter in your new one. You can enter in a new 6-digit passcode, or you can choose 4 digits, alphanumeric, or just numeric. Now, after you've done that, you might also want to be wondering how to change your Apple ID password. To be able to do that, go to the beginning of your settings and tap on your name at the top. And then from there, just tap on Sign In and Security. From there, you'll be able to see it'll pop up with all of your passwords and your email and phone number. Tap on Change Password. And on here, it'll ask you to unlock your phone or use the passcode you just set to unlock your phone. And then you can enter in a new Apple ID passcode. Keep in mind, it does have some restrictions down at the bottom. I hope this helps. If you wouldn't mind, take a second and leave a comment with your feedback down below. I'm curious to hear, did this legitimately help you, or are you still running into issues with your problem? Thanks, guys.